Any suggestions on what IPC should be doing to help approach this challenge?
We really value IPC as an OEM because you can help pull together disparate voices and then help drive standards.
You bring together a community, a very broad community of electronics manufacturing, and to bring that community together with the OEMs and have the right, provide the right forum for discussion, really helpful as well.
I think also the third area I would say that IPC is really uniquely positioned is the education piece, right? Mm-hmm. Just like you talked about educating for safety or quality, FOD. Okay, well, how do you produce sustainability? How do you, minimize emissions? How do you handle water treatment? That education, rather than having every company come up with their own training, would be valuable. Yep.
So when I think about, trying to react as an industry to sustainability, to me, it starts with design to really effectively do it. I mean, right now you talk about fixing water issues. That's kind of today's problem if you think about it, as I think about it. And the factories do need to advance, and as you said, greenfielding these new efforts to make sure that they're built with sustainability in mind. But we also need to start with the design of the products. I mean, they really need to be, considering all that. So one of the things, as you mentioned, training that I think about, do we need to be providing? Am I a certified sustainable designer? Am I a certified, sustainable what have you, as you go forward? And so you create these expertises as you go through to really try to shift the whole ecosystem.